Sound system is just awesome. Actually, CDs sound better. By the way, it has a shift light with the supercharger. When it comes on, it's so fast that you need a light to remind you got to shift. There's no check engine lights or anything at all. Excellent everything. Oil pressure, etc. You got your boost gauge, your air-fuel ratio, and your fuel pressure. So, air-fuel ratio is always going. Switches are, perfect. Got the knobs on both sides for the rear hatch release, which I will release right now. And I popped the trunk. So, killer MB Quartz Alpine professionally installed sound system. Fire extinguisher. Check out these seats. Door panels are perfect. Look at these seats. Driver's seat, steering wheel, passenger seat. Take these CDs off of here. This is a really beautifully mint 43,000 mile car. All the tools are in there, and again, I have the manuals. So, just come over here and show you quick too. Dashboard again. No chips or scratches in the windshield. Sunroof, windows all work perfect. Do the hood quick here. I didn't wash underneath the hood, so there's probably some dust, but supercharger, none of that paint flaking off the interior manifold, intake manifold like you see. Water cooled charge cooler right there in the corner, full aero clip lines, big aluminum radiator. This thing is just absolutely perfect. The foam on the entire hood is perfect, original. Like I said, I didn't clean the dust off under here, but whatever. No chips on the front end at all. There's your two screws for the license plate. It's got slightly tinted marker lights, front spoiler's perfect, wheels, no curb rash. Look at the discs on this thing, flawless. Pads, the tires are excellent. Back tires, 11-inch wide rims. Look at the discs. Look at the tires, excellent. Tinted. I lightly tinted the tail lights and the side marker lights, which, by the way, the tint comes right off, no problem. The exhaust, which is full front to back with the X pipe and the rear muffler bypass. Another perfect non-marked up rim, perfect discs and pads. tires, excellent. Close this. One more rim. Brake. Just perfect, man. These are GTS brakes. Again, tinted side and front lights. Not tinted heavily. It's the lightest amount of tint you could do. I just thought they were a little bit too bright with the bright orange. Anyway, every single thing on this car is perfect. No scratches, no door dings. Beautiful. No curb rash, perfect tires, perfect mechanicals, 590 horsepower. It's 500 at the wheels. It's got the GTS rear antenna, and it's really, let me back up so you can get the whole car. It's really not that loud either, but it sounds the way it should. I'll rev it up a little. I think it's the way it should be. And then here we'll turn on the headlights. You can see you got your side marker lights, fog lights, blinker lights, headlights, side marker light on this side. Every interior light works, the dash works, the odometer, every single thing on this car works. Now, again, you've got your Bluetooth wire there and your hookup. This is the Bluetooth if you want to use it with the stereo. This is for hooking up a USB cable. This car is so awesome. Let's see here. I'll hit the nobody likes bad news. Hit the high beams too, so you can see that they both work also. And then it switches to the other front lights. Car doesn't leak any oil, burn any oil. Tranny is flawless. It's got functioning horn, obviously. Anyway, there you have it. Sweet car. Everything is as it should be with no issues whatsoever. So, look at those switches, just perfect. Anyway, there you have it. Thanks. Spark plug change coming around. Here are the spark plugs, the 3 that we pulled out. Perfect chocolate brown. 2 on this side. He's pulling the 3rd one right now. That is the rear radar detector. And let's see. The aluminum. Don't worry, it's all right, Ron. And then great pads, aluminum headed rotors again. Front brakes, aluminum hats, coilovers, helper springs, great pads. Rotors are in excellent shape. Got the anthracite clear side marker lights that look so much better. Anyway, oh yeah, there's the HRE wheels, the tires.